Yo, everybody. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Y'all about to walk and talk with me. I got a couple things to say, and I don't know where to start. It's a lot of stuff. So everything is going good. It's good news. I fixed the hyperinflation, but Biden's getting my credit. But it's okay. I voted for Biden, and that's one of the things that's on my mind. The next thing that's on my mind is I'm walking past that place, and I created new macroeconomic money accounts. So let me see. There's this social care credit card that I invented. So it's $1 million. I need my goddamn money. So we got to go to the Treasury. And the Treasury got to create the jobs. And then they got to distribute my goddamn $1 million healthcare credit card and my goddamn $1 million social care credit card. So let's say I go work for those people that we saw back there, and I clock in. As soon as I clock in, I'm going to start making 3 different levels of currency. So you got C1 currency, you got C2 currency, and you got C3 currency. So C2 currency is the regular currency, your regular hours, and that could be minimum wage. So let's say I go and I'm working back there with those people, and they hired me for $7 an hour. I get to, I don't know, scrape gum off of the sidewalks for $7 an hour. That's a fun job. So I got my hours, my 8 hours, right? And my C1 currency is going to match that 8 hours. And the C1 currency cuts off completely at 40 hours a week. So the other currency is I got a day rate. The day rate is $8 a day. And the $8 a day, $1 is for the city tax, another $1 is for the state tax, another $1 is for the federal tax. And then I got $1 for student loan, $1 for residential, $1 for commercial, $1 for auto, and $1 for international loans. So basically the day rate is like my insurance earnings that the government uses. So I don't really need to use it. The day rate is if I die, they have some kind of income to pay off debt that I accrued, and basically the banking system doesn't crash. So that's for government use. My $7 an hour, that's for me. So the C1 currency, it starts at $1 an hour, and it started when I was 13 years of age. So when I got to 14, it went up to $2, When I get to 15, it went up to $3. So 16 is $4, 17, 5, 18 is 6. So I'm 18 years old, hypothetically, and I am being paid by the federal government at the Treasury in my C1 account $6 an hour on top of my minimum wage. So that money goes to my $1 million healthcare credit card and my $1 million social care credit card. The $7 an hour that I make as minimum wage, that's my money, and I just pay my rent with it, my bills, my food, and you know, that's just the regular life things, right? Now there's categories within the $1 million social care credit card. The social care credit card covers, it's like a insurance policy or insurance coverage. So $250 of it goes to property damages, $250 of it goes to bodily injury, $250 of it goes to auto coverage, and $50 a day from when a kid goes to start going to daycare, like a newborn, but newborns don't go to daycare, but when a kid starts going to daycare, $50 a day, 5 days out the week, goes to daycare expense. So let's say I had my social care credit card, my card already paid for my daycare, and now I am an adult. So it's probably like 130 grand that was used to pay for my daycare. So we have to pair up all of the bylaws and the legislations of the insurance sector with the coverage of the social care credit card once we start distributing it to people. And that's about it for this message, because I'm at 7 minutes and I don't know if this shit will upload to YouTube, because I never really fucked with YouTube. I got like 9 subscribers. I don't know who the hell he is, but I'm thankful. And yeah, let me see if this uploads. Over, out, dispatch.